Hi viewers, welcome to Gani's YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain you fit work area to entire model. How to use this fit work area to entire model option in Tekla structures. I'll provide this step-by-step process in this PDF also. If you need this PDF, please join my channel, Tekla structure. If you need this PDF, please join my channel and take a screenshots and send to my email address. I will provide my email address in the description and on the screen also. You will get this PDF directly to your email. Okay, let's start. Open Tekla structures. You can see once you rotate by using the option control and mouse middle button like this model will be rotated about this center of this model. If you wanted to rotate about particular grid point, for example, if you wanted to rotate at this location about this point, use the shortcut control R and pick the rotation point here, and you can use the control and mouse middle button to rotate about this point. You can see the entire model is rotated about this point. For example, you can see control R and pick the rotation point here, and this entire model rotate about this point. By default, you want to rotate about the center of this model. You need to right click on mouse, interact, and click on space, right click on mouse, redraw view, fit, then click on space, right click on mouse, fit work area to entire model to get the rotation point at the middle of this model like this. This is the fit work area to entire model option. You need to click on space, right click on mouse, fit work area to entire model to get like this. Okay, that's it about fit work area to entire model. If you like this video, please like it and share it. For more Tekla structure related videos, please join my channel and please subscribe my channel also. Okay, thank you.